Hey guys, next to me I have a multitude of clothing items to share with you guys. So Mix and Matchbox, they are a style service that was similar to Stitch Fix but more affordable. I think they had provided 6 items in the box instead of 5. And they, sometime last year, I think I went to order a box and they said they weren't doing any more boxes for the rest of the year. They're sold out for the rest of the year. So it's like, okay, good for them. They're getting good business. And now they kind of switched to just kind of selling off their inventory. So I'm not sure if they'll ever come back as a style service, but they've been selling off inventory, and as of yesterday, they completely shut down their website. So that's disappointing, but I did benefit by scooping up some really great deals on some items. So they were selling off inventory, like I said, and they provided a code on their Instagram to get 70% off. So that's obviously a great deal. So I have 6 items here of tops, sweaters, jackets, things like that I got at a great deal. All 6 of these items came for a total of $85, which is a great deal considering the original price of this jacket alone was $85. So for the cost of what this usually costs, I got all 6 of these items. So let's go ahead and just jump to the try on, and I will tell you guys the information of the pieces as I am trying them on, and let's get to it. Okay, so first up we have this sweater. It's all tops and jackets. So the sweater is a lot longer than I anticipated. Kind of has a cozy, oversized feel to it, which I don't usually like, but I'm kind of not mad at it in this one. I tried attempting to, give it a little front tuck, but it's so long, I'm not sure if that's working. Now this is one I am going to try to see if I can shrink it some in the dryer, see if that does anything. But for somebody who's working from home right now, this is actually a good piece to just throw on with some comfy leggings or something like that. And then the fact that it's a cream color gives the fact I can kind of a good sweater in the spring type look. So I like it. It's just a lot bigger than I expected, but I don't know. I don't hate it. I don't hate it at all. What do you guys think? What do you think? Next up, we have this jacket here, this trench coat, and I've got a regular, camel colored trench coat that I love. I wear it all the time. I never thought I'd be a trench coat person, but I love a good fitted trench coat. Now this one caught my eye because I love the color of it. I think it's just beautiful. I mean, look at that. Look at that. And so this is kind of what it looks draped open. And then let's go ahead and button it up and belt it up. Okay, here we are belted up. And, it's very thin. It's a lot thinner and kind of more movable than the trench coat that I have, but almost like a raincoat type material. But it fits well. It's actually like right here, it's slightly snug, but it is an extra small, so I guess that's not too surprising because that's the area where I'm not necessarily an extra small. So, but I think it's really cute, and for the price that you guys will see with the 70% off, super worth it. Super worth it, super cute, love the color. Let's keep going. Okay, so next up, I decided to throw on the bomber jacket, and I think it's super cute, and it has a great thickness to it, so I feel like it provides adequate warmth, which is important to me in my jackets because I don't wear jackets so much for style, I wear them for warmth. But I think it's a great fitting bomber jacket. I think it's super cute. So really happy with this piece. Now the tank is also a piece with it, and I didn't want to try this on by itself because it was a bit see-through. So you get the gist. It has pretty lace here, which I like, but it is, a little bit more see-through than I like, but maybe not too bad with a nude bra on. A little bit longer than I thought, but because it's so thin, it should tuck well. So cute pieces. All right, next. Okay, next up we have this mock neck tank. And I don't know, this cuts in more here than I expected. You can see these clear straps I have on. It more than I expected, probably a little bit more than I like. Also a little bit big, but perhaps with a jacket or something like that, it would be nice. I don't know. I'm not sure if a neck like this probably doesn't look the greatest with a jacket. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, it's a pretty top. I love the colors in it and the pattern, but I'm just not sure about what's happening here. It does have this tie here in the back. I could have tightened it up and didn't, but you guys get the gist of that. So, okay, last top. Okay, so here's this top, and I think I actually quite like this a bit. It does cut in as well here, but for some reason it bothers me less. I think it's because I didn't know how I feel about the cut up to the mock neck, but this is just kind of a crew neck type look. I think this is cute. I really like the pink, green, yellowish pattern to it. I think that's really, really pretty. I like the length of it. It's not too long. So I think it's really pretty. I like this one. This one fits me better than that last one. So give me your thoughts. All right, let's do a quick wrap up and talk about prices. I just had the song pop into my head, On Top of Spaghetti. Did anybody sing that as a kid? On top of spaghetti, all covered in cheese. Lay my poor meatball, then somebody sneezed. No idea why that popped into my head just now, but it did. It rolled up the table and onto the floor, and then my poor meatball rolled right out the door. I don't know if there's more to a song than that. In fact, I think I'm gonna Google it. So, all right, sorry about that. I have no idea why that popped in my head. Okay, so let's go over prices of what I pay. I'll do original and then what I paid, and then you guys can feel good about my purchasing decisions in life. So this is the Burgundy Classic Trench Jacket by OLGYN. I don't know what that stands for, but that's the brand name. Originally $85, got it for $25.50, and that's, again, I paid, it was 70% off, so the 30% of that is $25.50. So great deal, not mad at that. Then we have by Trendology, this is the cable knit pullover sweater, and originally $46, I paid $13.80. And though it is a bit big, you know, to have a big, lazy, slouchy, you know, I'm gonna wear this on my period type sweater, good. I'm happy to pay $13.80 for that. Then we had the Floral Tank, which is originally $36. I got it for $10.80. Again, this is the one that I really liked. I like this neckline. I like the colors of it. So happy to pay just 10 bucks for that. Then we have this by Tua. This is the black floral halter top, and originally $40, and I paid $12. So again, good deal. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I'm just not sure if I'm gonna reach for it. You guys let me know if you don't mind. Let me know what you think. The Quilted bomber jacket that I have already worn out for a springtime walk when it's a little bit chilly out. $42 originally, which is actually a really great price originally. And can you believe this is actually a medium? Now, I don't order medium anything, and this is a medium, and I think it fits perfectly. So this is by Two Sable, and it is originally 42 bucks. I got it for $12.60. 12 bucks. And then last we have the cami. Originally $29, I got it for $8.70. I'm not sure, you know, I'll put it in the closet, see if I ever reach for it. I do love blush color. That's like one of my favorite colors right now. So we'll see. I may reach for it. I may not. I do not know. So as unfortunate as the fact that there are no mix and match style boxes right now, and my guess is probably not again, we'll see. I am at least grateful that I got a really great deal on a lot of pieces, and they were a great service while, you know, they were around. So what do you guys think? What were your favorites? I'd love to hear what your favorites were, and what your thoughts were on the pieces I was a little bit questionable on. And thank you guys for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you like this video, it would really help me if you gave me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post. That's my spiel. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.